Welcome back, viewers. On to some breaking updates coming in, this time from West Bengal. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has now issued a fresh set of guidelines in light of the ongoing COVID situation in the state. In fact, she has gone on to state that slowly and steadily there will be a revival of the economy as well, yet the lockdown will remain the same. They have also decided that red zones will now also be divided into three parts, that is red zone A, B as well as C, as well as allocated services like jewelry, electric goods, paint stores and some small eateries will also takeaway services will be allowed. Let's go across to my colleague Suryagini, who's also joining us at this point. Suryagini, so a new set of guidelines being brought by the West Bengal Chief Minister herself. Take us through the details of the same.
Well, to begin with, Mamata Banerjee just did a presser just a while back, and, she stated that the lockdown will continue, but till when, that is not something that has been stated by the Chief Minister herself. But, Mamata Banerjee has been pretty vocal that any guidelines about the lockdown that are being issued by the centre will be followed by the state. That being, she has announced that red zones will be divided into three parts. Red zone A, where no relaxations will be given. Red zone B, where some relaxations will be given. Red zone C, where some relaxations outside containment zones only. Now that means that there are bifurcations, divisions of the red zones. Now let us, once again I would like to brief our viewers that the entire city of Kolkata is a red zone. That is according to the West Bengal government and the MHA as well. Apart from that, North 24 Parganas, East Midnapur and Howrah, the adjacent city of Kolkata, are red zones. But as of today in Kolkata itself, there are 340 containment zones. Maybe that is the reason why this particular decision has been taken of dividing the area within the red zones into red zone A, red zone B and red zone C. One more important pointer, that in Kolkata 13 bus services will be allowed, where 20 passengers only will be allowed. Now this is something that was there for green zones only. Now she is allowing this in Kolkata only in this. But one more thing, this will not feature and run on containment zones.
So we'll wait and see what comes out of West Bengal, even as a fresh set of new guidelines have been issued by the Chief Minister himself.